Here, welcome back to the channel, y'all. Once again, my name's Joey Sparks. That's two E's, no Y. You heard me, that's two E's, no Y. And in this video here, we're going to be doing another unpackaging. Yeah, that's right. We got another mesh tee to unpackage. And if you know me, you know I love my mesh tees. Matter of fact, we're already showing you some flavor right now, right? So this is a mashup of Moon Knight and the Animaniacs cartoon, right? Except we're using the three characters from Moon Knight to replace the Animaniacs, right? Maniacs, Mooniacs, Moon Knight, Mooniacs. Come on now, let's stop playing here, boy. My t-shirt's fire. My plug is better than yours. All right, boom, another t-shirt unpackaging. So let's just jump into that, you know. Oh, before we get started, if you're enjoying the content on this channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That way it helps go up in the algorithms and more people get a chance to see this video, if you know what I mean. All right, let's jump into it. Oh, if you want to know whenever I drop a new video, you got to make sure to hit the bell icon. That'll let you know. All right, y'all. Boy, my childhood was amazing. It was amazing, and that's why I really love my t-shirt plug, because it gets all the dope how am I supposed to it gets all the dope concepts. Like if you grew up in the 80s or you're fanboy of fanboy stuff, this company just gets all the dope designs. Okay, are we ready to see? You thought it was gonna be anything besides a black t-shirt? Come on, man. Black is my apparel color, bro. All right, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, the pieces of the resistance. Oh, come on, bro. Stop playing with me here, dog. All right, so this is Back to the Future mixed with Big Trouble in Little China. Now, you can see that titling right there. That mimics the Back to the Future titling. And then, if you know, Big Trouble in Little China. That's Kurt Russell's character and his semi truck, right? But done in the shape of Back to the Future with the DeLorean and Marty McFly, right? Where he's checking his watch halfway out the DeLorean. No, instead this time he's halfway out his semi-truck rig. Big Trouble in Little China was a big movie for me when I grew up. And I know it wasn't like a blockbuster or no shit like that, but it hit home for us. It was one of them cult classics, right? Like, I mean, Big Trouble in Little China meets Escape to New York. Like, I got fanboy stuff of that. Like, I mess with that stuff. It's part of my childhood. It's what me and my brother grew up watching and laughing and rewatching, and then, you know, picking apart the parts that we thought were good versus bad, and then watch them again while we're older and re-laughing at it. I mean, there's so many one-liners from it. Just you just can't get over it. And then you mix it with something as iconic as Back to the Future. There's no way I'm not hitting purchase, purchase, purchase. Send me that shirt ASAP. So, yo, I mean, I'm looking forward to rocking it. Another red and yellow kind of combo. So I got definitely got some shoes to go with that. I'm just so stoked to get another fly ass t-shirt that I can wear wherever I feel like it. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all stopping back for this unpackaging again. Yo, if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. Why don't you tell me what you thought about the t-shirt down below? Were you a fan of either of the movies that they mashed up? If so, let me know which one was your favorite out of the two down in the comments. And like I said, let's link up in the comments, become friends. Let's almost create a gang in the comments, and then we'll bang against the people we disagree with in the comments, right? Join my set in the comments. Then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when a new unpackaging video drops, and you'll know right away. All right, once again, it's Joey Sparks. Appreciate you stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.